Hello everyone. I want to show you I got it from Amazon. It arrived just today. This is a Presto MyJo coffee maker. Now, I'm going to put the test later, but I want to show you what it look like when you put it together, some pieces. I'll show you. It's so hard when you're using one hand. Now this is what it look like. This is an accessory for you where you put on the ground. I'll just remove it. Again, it's hard sometimes you put one hand. You put the filter like this. And this is what it looked like. Now it's a very nice portable coffee maker. Now, if you can see, I'll show you the package. See the guidance? Now, you look at the picture, the first one, that's a microwave. You can see in the background. But in reality, I recommend do not put on a microwave. Why is that? I'll tell you why. Because when you put the microwave, like for a few seconds or a minute, it'll melt of this kind of a pen, and also the silicone, the water is dripping. So it's not a good idea when you put a microwave. I don't know why did they make a on a TV commercial on Amazon website. So I don't think it's a good idea you put a microwave like this. Of course, you have to remove the cover for this one. Something like this, the one you saw, the box just now. So I recommend, this is not a good idea you put in a microwave. Of course, this is a plastic, it can melt very easy. So again, don't put this one inside the microwave. It is not a good idea. What you're using for camping, you boil water or you use it for office, it's a good idea. So I suggest you use the boiling water for that one. Yeah, and that's it. And that's all I can explain this to you. I just noticed my battery almost dying. I didn't charge it now on my phone. And now I'm just going to make the demonstration what it look like again. So I put it back in pieces. Okay. Now, I didn't try. I'll go try it out later on the next video. I want to show you what it look like this. You hear the air. Now I'm going to show you something else. Now watch carefully when I press it. Again, this looks like a very nice coffee maker. As I said earlier, I'll put it to the test later on the next video. So, well, yeah, that's it. That's all I can say. I kind of lost in space for a few seconds. Anyway, this is Dark Magic. I hope you're watching the video. And give me the thumbs up for this one, and let me know in the comments below what do you think. Presto MyJo coffee maker. I'll put the link in the description so you can think about what you want to buy a Presto MyJo or not, so you can use your own portable coffee maker so you don't need electricity. Anyway, that's all. And this is Art Magic. I hope you're watching this. Give me the thumbs up. Let me know on the comments. Thank you very much. Peace.